Why do you love plants so much?
Well, I love you too.
But I help you so much. These plants don't.
They too do a lot for me.
I have never seen them do anything. They can't even move.
We all depend on plants directly as well as indirectly.
Of course not. They depend on us for water, manure, etc.
We depend on plants for a lot more.
Like,
Okay, what do we need most to live?
air to breathe?
Oxygen, to be precise.
Yes.
Plants give out oxygen in air.
Sorry, I did not get it.
I will explain this to you.
Go on.
During photosynthesis,
Yes, that's the process which plants use to make food.
very good.
I've learned it on makemegenius.com.
During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaves through pores and then enters the cell. In the cell, it diffuses into the chloroplast where it makes oxygen and sugar in presence of light.
Also, thus plants give us the necessary oxygen to breathe and remove the carbon dioxide from air.
Okay, that's the point I give to plants. What else?
What do you eat?
Cereals, veggies, fruits.
Cereals are our main food. Plants give us cereals.
Examples?
Examples of cereals are rice, jowar, bajra, barley, maize.
Do popcorn also come from plants?
Popcorn comes from corn when it is heated. Corn comes from the maize plant.
This is news to me.
Some plants give us pulses like dry beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, and navy beans, dry peas, lentils, and others.
Pulses give us proteins necessary for our development.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
What about veggies?
Plants give us vegetables too.
We eat the roots of some plants like radish, carrot, turnip.
Did you know we eat the stems of some plants?
Is that so?
Yes, celery, arvi, and elephant foot yam are the stems we eat.
Oh, celery is a stem.
We also eat leaves of some plants like cabbage, lettuce, and spinach.
That's interesting.
Yes, and bottle gourd, pumpkin, and cucumber are the fruits of plants.
We eat them as veggies.
Yes, but they are fruits.
Also, we eat fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, grapes.
Yes, these fruits are eaten as fruits. And do you know the oil in which mummy cooks food?
Don't tell me they too come from plants.
Yes, the seeds of plants like sunflower, coconut, mustard, and groundnut are crushed to obtain edible oil. And did you know that chocolates you love so much also come from plants?
Don't say that.
Yes, the cocoa seeds are crushed and mixed with sugar and flavors to make chocolate.
Okay.
And what's even more interesting is that the sugar which makes everything sweet,
That too comes from plant?
yes, sugar comes from sugarcane plant.
What else?
Well, tea and coffee that mom and dad have also come from plants.
Yesterday when I went to the park, Mom put some awful smelling oil on my hands so that mosquitoes don't bite me. Where does that come from?
It comes from the eucalyptus tree. Also, most face creams contain aloe vera that comes from aloe vera plant leaves.
Wow, that's cool.
Also, many plants are used in medicines.
Like?
Like tulsi leaves are used in cough syrups.
Nice.
Apart from food and medicines, we also use wood to make our homes.
Also, furniture.
Trunk of trees like shisham and teak are used to make furniture.
And the doors and windows. Look at the tires of the truck. They are so big.
You will be surprised to know that the tires you are staring at also come from plants.
No way.
The tires are made of rubber. Rubber comes from the rubber tree.
We are all so much dependent on plants.
Yes, the cotton shirt you are wearing also is obtained from a plant.
Which plant?
Fibers are made out of cotton plants' flowers. These fibers are used to make clothes.
I will also tell one use of plants.
Go on.
Flowers are used for decorations in weddings.
Yes, my favorite, orchid. Not only we use trees to build our shelter, animals too use trees for shelter.
Like birds make their nest on trees.
And some animals live in tree hollows.
Animals like deer, giraffe eat twigs as their food.
Yes, they are called herbivorous.
Also, they too need oxygen to breathe, and that too comes from plants. So we should be nice to plants and keep them as our friends.
Yes, my dear.